You know that feeling when you walk into a kink event and it seems like everyone else got a script you somehow missed? People are chatting, laughing, negotiating scenes, and you're just trying to figure out if a nod means hello or please don't. Here's the truth. Consent isn't a vibe you catch. It's behavior you can learn, practice, and get really good at. I'm Dr. Misty, AASECT Sex Therapist and educator, and in this short course, we're going to take the guesswork out of consent culture, especially for those of us who are trauma-impacted, neurodivergent, or just new to these spaces. You'll learn how to approach people without awkwardness, how to observe scenes without hovering, and how to handle no with genuine calm instead of shame. We'll talk about capacity checks, how to lean on event staff, and what to do when you make a mistake, because everyone does. This isn't about memorizing roles or pretending to be confident. It's about finding safety in clarity and learning the kind of etiquette that lets your body exhale. By the end, you'll have real-world scripts you can use right away and the confidence to walk into any event knowing exactly how to show up with care. So if you're tired of guessing and ready to feel grounded in your own skin, join me for Consent Isn't a Vibe. You don't need swagger, you just need curiosity, consent, and a little practice.